Miss Jade. Come on now. I thought you want now. Okay, no toy then. You're looking. I think this is so much better, the Pocket Lounge, because it's cold. Come on, Juliana. Is there a cover? No cover. Oh, if you buy it in the Amazon, can you buy a cover of the pool then? No, but that's it's now it's work now because okay, okay. Okay, come on now. I thought you're going to toy aisle. Okay, you don't want it anymore? Okay, come on, let's go. Daddy's gonna say he's not going to toy aisle. This is nice. This one, Jolene. Well, it's okay. It's gonna fit. Mm. Oh, Jilana would, yeah. When it's there's and Daddy's gonna go to Amazon too. Oh, come on, Jilana. I thought you're gonna go to toy aisle. Okay, come on. I thought you wanna go to toy aisle. Okay, come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go to toy aisle. There's none. It's here. Okay. Hello, Lee Sang Soon. What you like? You already have those, remember? Remember, you already have those.